Today, I'll show you how to link PayPal to Apple Pay. First, open the PayPal app on your iPhone. Sign in using your PayPal email address or mobile number and password. Before starting, it is important to know that you usually cannot add a normal PayPal account directly to Apple Pay like a bank account. Instead, you need an eligible PayPal card, such as a PayPal debit card or another supported PayPal card. PayPal's current help page says you can add PayPal cards to Apple Wallet from the PayPal app by opening the card, tapping Manage, and choosing Add to Apple Wallet. Once you are inside the PayPal app, tap Accounts. Now tap your PayPal card. If you do not see a PayPal card, your account may not have an eligible card yet, or the card may not be available in your country. After selecting the card, tap Manage. Now choose Add to Apple Wallet. Follow the instructions on the screen. Your iPhone may ask you to confirm the card, accept terms, or verify with a code. Complete the verification steps. After the card is added, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Check that your PayPal card appears there. If you want to make it your default Apple Pay card, open the Wallet app, tap and hold the PayPal card, then drag it to the front of your card stack. You can also go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, then choose Default Card and select your PayPal card. After that, you can use Apple Pay with your PayPal card in stores, apps, and websites that accept Apple Pay. To pay in a store, double-click the side button on your iPhone, authenticate with Face ID or your passcode, then hold your phone near the payment terminal. PayPal also says its PayPal debit card can be used in Apple Wallet for purchases anywhere Apple Pay is accepted, where eligible. If Add to Apple Wallet does not appear, check that your PayPal app is updated. Also make sure your PayPal card is active and eligible. If the option still does not appear, PayPal cards or Apple Wallet support may not be available for your country or account type. So, to keep it simple, open PayPal, tap Accounts, choose your PayPal card, tap Manage, select Add to Apple Wallet, verify the card, and set it as your default card if needed. And that's how you link PayPal to Apple Pay. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.